Okay, this is not what I imagined a laminate store would feel like. This is Century Arena, India's first tech-driven experience center for laminates and veneers, and it feels more like a design journey than a showroom. The first thing they encourage you to do is touch. You're not rushed into choosing anything. You walk through textures, colors, and moods. Each of these rings has a mood board built into it. Different textures, finishes, and pairings that already tells a story. And the screens extend that story into real rooms. So ideas start forming without anyone explaining anything to you. Now that you know how you want to feel, let's explore how to achieve it. They take one single color and show it in multiple textures. And then suddenly you realize, even if the color stays the same, the surface completely changes the emotion. And this massive panel shows the extended size laminates. No horizontal joints, no breaks. You can finally visualize clean, seamless surfaces instead of guessing from small samples. These are the textures and these are the presets. You can browse these like books, pull them out, scan them, and instantly explore the combination digitally. It feels organized, calm, and intuitive. You're not overwhelmed by choice, you are guided through it. This is Century Arena's Smart Lab, and honestly, this is where everything clicks. You can build combinations instantly, change paint colors, finishes, room views, and everything updates in real time. You can save laminates and veneers, generate digital mood boards, and even take them home. It's perfect for homeowners making confident choices, architects testing ideas, and contractors locking final selections. This space is more than functional. It's designed how designers and creators actually work today. Architects document their design journey here, influencers review new launches, even clients record their selection process. It feels like a natural extension to your creative voice. This table is the heart of the store, where digital meets physical, where conversation happens, and where idea finally feels real. And even if you're sitting at home, you can consult with the in-house expert here through video calls. They guide you, show materials, share mood boards, so distance never becomes a barrier. This place removes the stress from selecting laminates and veneers. No pressure, no guesswork, just clarity.